Good morning to all. Yesterday, such a heat wave. Going to check out what happened to my plants and if they need watering. Yeah, they need a little bit of watering. So we're gonna water. Let's go check out the mess that the cat did last day there yesterday. Wow. Gonna cut the zucchini before we water. Yeah, the cat again inside here. I don't know what's her trip, but it did stop her a little bit. The zucchini's a monster. Look at this. Beautiful. Tomatoes are doing great. Eggplants are really growing big. Wow. These green peppers over here are getting blocked from the sun from this tree, but they're still doing very good. But the eggplants, I'm really surprised. I don't see many of those beetles, but I gotta water. You see? Always this cat makes holes. Anyways, we'll continue the video later on. I'm just gonna go harvest these two and we'll water together. And I'm gonna show you how I water my plants. I don't even get close to them. I use the wand here and I water from the side. I give it a very good deep watering. I don't even come close to the tomatoes. So that's how I watered the tomatoes. But like I was telling you, there's no need to bury your tomatoes 10 feet in the ground like they tell you, because tomatoes do surface roots like those. Those I'm gonna cover them. See? Anyways, that's how I water my plants. I'll keep on watering, and we'll take it from there. So have a nice evening, and I'll get back to you in the evening. Yes. These are the two zucchinis we cut. I'm gonna fry them in long strips, put them in a sandwich, toast, and the rest history. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and like. 85% of the people that are watching the videos are not subscribed, so please, you'll be doing us a favor, and we'll keep on continuing making videos. Thank you. And I was watering all morning long. Wow.